Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to convert PDF to JPG on Windows for free in 2026. So if you want to turn PDF pages into image files for sharing or editing, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your PDF using Microsoft Edge or any PDF viewer. This lets you preview the document before converting it. Next, press Ctrl+P to open the print menu. So this is the easiest built-in method to convert PDF pages into images. Now select a virtual image printer or use a free PDF to JPG tool. This allows each page to be saved as an image. So choose Output Settings and save each page as a JPG file. Each page will become a separate image. Next, you can also use a free online PDF to JPG converter. Just upload your file and download the images. Finally, organize your JPG files into a folder. So this makes it easy to find and share your converted images later. And that's how to convert PDF to JPG on Windows for free in 2026. Once you use built-in tools or online converters, turning PDFs into images becomes quick and simple. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF tutorials.